Meaning of frown.
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 Frown. Frown is a facial expression that often shows disapproval or displeasure. It involves lowering the eyebrows and curving the mouth downwards. This expression can indicate various emotions, such as unhappiness, confusion, or concentration. People may frown in response to a negative situation or when they are deep in thought. Frowning can also signal anger or frustration. Overall, a person's frown can provide insight into their emotional state and serve as a nonverbal communication tool for those around them.